Man, I'm getting way too old for this, I'll tell you. Oh, hi there. I was just under the layout smoking my pot. Yeah, I've heard that if you smoke them, then the next time you cook using them or heat something up in them, the food takes on a kind of a better flavor somehow. It's sort of the same principle as seasoning a cast iron skillet. I'm going to heat up some soup a bit later, so I'll let you know how it works out. Or if it doesn't work out, you and I can just maybe forget this ever happened. So, what we are going to do today is run some trains. I'm sure that will come as no surprise. We're going to run some HO, some double O, and of course some flyer S gauge. We're going to focus on longer consists. It won't be crazy long because the layout isn't that big, but longer than usual. We'll see how that works out. And I'm going to share with you some titles of some great novels for your summer reading list. Admittedly, some of them are fictitious, but I kind of like fiction, so it's all good. Let's start out with the trains.
into the summer now, and it's the perfect time to catch up on your reading while sipping something cold and refreshing on the beach or the patio or the haunted cornfield or whatever. With that in mind, here are some works of trainish fiction you might consider leafing through. First up, Mark Train's A Connecticut Yankee in King Arthur's Coach, in which a 19th century steam engine mechanic is knocked unconscious and wakes up in 6th century England. Using his knowledge of steam engines and early-era train design, he builds one for King Arthur, much to the chagrin of Wizard Merlin. Arthur becomes the first British king to have his own royal coach, and medieval society will never be the same. If late Georgian literature is more your thing, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, consider Jane Austen's Trains and Train Stability. Thomas Bingley Doon dedicates his life to creating the world's first commercial steam locomotive. With the help of Elizabeth Bonnet Woodward, whose father is about to lose Pemberland Manor due to poor retirement planning, Thomas eventually achieves steamy success. Not a moment too soon, as poor Lizzie kept falling out of his unsteady prototypes and was becoming fatigued of the whole business. Her perseverance paid off, though, with Thomas marrying Elizabeth and saving Pemberland Manor for future generations. In a more contemporary vein, here's a must-read for train enthusiasts with a taste for terror, The Shining of the Polar Express, in which the hapless Torrance family return to the spooky Overlook Hotel in the dead of winter, only to be visited by the Polar Express. The conductor thinks his jolly old Berkshire needs a bloody good polishing, and Jack Torrance is just the man for the job. Need more reading material? Here are a few other suggestions.